So whenever you're working on an iPad too, it's very important once you get it to this point, in order to disconnect the digitizer and get it out. See, we have all this glass in the way. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take these little screws out. There's 4. In each corner of the LCD, I've already taken 1 out. So when you take these screws out, you also need to go ahead and take out these 2 screws. These screws are blocking the digitizer connection from being unlocked. You can't see that because the LCD's in the way. But while you got your screwdriver handy, it's good to go ahead and take these out as well. You just put them all together. Go ahead and do it here real quick. And now we can just reach in here and pull the LCD up a little bit. And then we're going to twist it to this corner, to the side. The cord is glued down just a little bit right here. Then we're going to go ahead and unlock the cord here with our fingernail. You can also use a pry tool if you don't have fingernails. And now you'll see the digitizer cable. You can see this thing is out of the way, so you don't have the the added stress. See, these cables the connectors are really long, so it's easy to pop one off. So you want to get this thing out of the way, so that when you pull this one off, that isn't blocking it and it is free to be unclipped. And then it's important that you use a wide flathead screwdriver, so that way you're not adding even more stress to the connector. So I always use, a wide one like this. Just like that. And you got to carefully peel this up. Peel it up so it's not glued down now. And then unplug it. Now your digitizer's out of there and the motherboard is not damaged.